Let's learn how you can install the Scarlet on your iOS device to install the IPA files. You don't need any PC or jailbreak for this. Launch your Safari and you're gonna go to this website here. Once you're inside this website, reach here, installer section. You'll see several options: eSign, Scarlet, KSign, Source, etc. Switch to Scarlet. And the first step is that you're gonna install the DNS. That is this DNS, Apple JR DNS. Install the DNS. It's very important. Allow to install the DNS. Close. And you're gonna go to settings of your iPhone. Inside the settings, you're gonna tap on the profile downloaded option here. And just install this profile. Install. Once you install this profile, tap on done. If you go to DNS, make sure that this one is selected, Apple JR anti-debug. Now you're gonna go back to Safari and you can install any version of Scarlet from here. It's a direct install method. There are a few new apps, so we're gonna try the new one. So I'm gonna install this one here. Install. Go back to home screen. Check the progress. It's here. It's installed. Let's bring this to home screen and let's launch it. It doesn't open. We're gonna have to trust the enterprise developer in the settings. Cancel here and go to settings. Inside the VPN, DNS and device management, you'll find enterprise apps at the bottom. This is the one. Trust. Once it's trusted, we can go back to home screen and try to launch Scarlet. Yeah. Just remember one thing here. When you try to launch Scarlet from the home screen, if it doesn't launches or it crashes, you're gonna have to delete the Scarlet app, remove app, and then go back to Safari and install another one from the list. In my case, it launches successfully, so no need to do anything. Come to the second tab, that is IPA importer. Tap on plus, import the IPA files. Let's import this IPA file. Once it's imported, tap on sign, start signing, and install. Now go back. This is the app that's been installing here. You can add this to home screen and just launch it. Now what to do in case the Scarlet app fails to launch after a few days. If it stops launching after a few days, what you're gonna do is just remove the app and then we're gonna go to Safari back, go to the same website and try downloading the new Scarlet file. We don't need to repeat the DNS step in that case because we have already installed the DNS. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.